Wait, what time, Andre? Wake up. I got to your damn bed early. No tell me you gone back to sleep, Andre! Watch how I go and knock out this boy this morning, Andre! Yo, I'm gonna run with you, man. Every morning I see. So you wake up in the attack. Sure. Okay.